So, so it is true. When it comes to essential nature, it is no one. It is no one. That's it, really. It's no one because it's prior the condition of anything that's arising, anything that's happening, any thought you have, emotion you have, any feeling in the body. Um, before existentialism, we have isness, this isness that, when realized, so to speak, awareness immediately associates to it. And awareness has this deep association to what is. And awareness in relation to what is then administers that essence, that transmission. That awareness can speak words. And those words are reflections of an essential nature that is appearing as here. That seems to be how it is. It's not logical. It's not even factual. It's just truthful. It's just your deepest knowing abiding in the essential nature, which is as is. And it's just a profound association. Everything that you've been up until that moment, the way your mind is, the way your emotional nature is, the way your physicality is, it just associates to an isness or an essential nature that isn't defined. Your essential nature is not defined by any of this that appears, but it's the root source of all that appears. Because the isness doesn't see anything, any form that arises as other than the isness, you see? Because without the isness, nothing would exist. There'd be nothing. No dream state, no waking state, no deep sleep. Mm. So much can be said when realization occurs. It's realization is nothing and it's everything. A profound association to nothing, to isness. And isness is a potential for this, everything you see. It's interesting. You don't need to do, there's no doer, no thinker. It's just knowing. And knowing that has a profound association to its innermost, which is nothing, which is isness.